If you just picked up the new Tesla Model Y Juniper, you already know it's a masterpiece of modern engineering. But the factory carpet floors? They just aren't going to cut it if you want to keep that pristine interior looking brand new. You need protection that's as high-tech as the car itself, and that is exactly where the 3W 9-piece floor mat set comes in. This isn't just another set of rubber mats. These are precision-engineered using proprietary Vigormold TPE material, designed specifically for the unique dimensions of the 2025 and 2026 Model Y Juniper. What makes this specific 9-piece kit a total game-changer is the sheer level of coverage. You're getting everything: the front and rear floor mats, full cargo liners, trunk mats, and even seat back protectors. Because they're molded using advanced 3D laser scanning, they lock into your Tesla's factory anchor points for a perfect edge-to-edge fit that doesn't slide, doesn't bunch up, and doesn't leave any gaps for dirt or spills to sneak through to your factory carpet. The magic is really in the material. That Vigormold TPE is the perfect blend of rubber's flexibility and plastic's durability. It's completely non-toxic, odor-free, and stays stable whether you're dealing with a freezing winter or a scorching summer day. Unlike cheaper mats that crack or off-gas that weird plastic smell, these stay soft, look premium, and are incredibly easy to clean. Just pull them out, hose them off, and they look brand new in seconds. If you want to protect your investment and keep your Model Y Juniper's interior looking showroom ready for years to come, this is the ultimate upgrade. Click the link below for the best price and start giving your Tesla the protection it actually deserves.